Welcome to Cooking with Music, where we blend the art of culinary creation with the power of rhythm. Have you ever noticed how certain melodies can elevate your cooking experience? Today, we embark on a delightful journey, pairing our favorite recipes with a variety of musical genres. So, grab your apron, tune in your ears, and let's get cooking. Music has a unique way of influencing our emotions and creativity. Whether it's the upbeat tempo of pop music or the soothing sounds of classical, each genre can inspire a different approach to cooking. Throughout this series, we will explore how these musical styles can enhance our culinary adventures. Let's begin with our first recipe, a vibrant Mediterranean pasta salad. Number 1. Kitchen preparation. As we prepare our Mediterranean pasta salad, we're accompanied by the lively sounds of Mediterranean music. The rhythmic beats and cheerful melodies mirror the fresh ingredients we're about to combine. The first step is to boil our pasta. Remember, the energy of the music can influence the way we cook. Let it guide your movements. Imagine each stir of the pot as a dance step. While our pasta cooks, let's chop our colorful vegetables. We'll be using cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, and bell peppers. The vibrant colors of these ingredients, paired with this lively music, create a feast for both the eyes and the ears. Number 2. Mixing ingredients. Now that our pasta is cooked and drained, let's switch gears to a different vibe. We'll transition to a smooth jazz soundtrack for the next phase of our recipe. Jazz brings a sense of sophistication and flair, perfect for the addition of our olives and feta cheese. As we mix these ingredients, let the smooth rhythms guide your hands. Feel the freedom of jazz as you toss everything together, creating a harmonious blend of flavors. Jazz encourages improvisation. Don't be afraid to add a sprinkle of this or a dash of that. Cooking is an art, much like jazz. Feel free to experiment with herbs. Basil or oregano can add a delightful twist. Number 3. Dressing the salad. To finish our salad, we'll prepare a zesty dressing. As we transition to an upbeat pop genre, let's add some excitement to our dish. The lively beats of pop music will infuse energy into our final touches. Just like a catchy pop tune, this dressing should have the perfect balance of flavors. A little acidity from the lemon, a touch of richness from the olive oil, and the right amount of seasoning will elevate our Mediterranean pasta salad to new heights. Number 4. Plating and presentation. Now, let's plate our dish to the elegance of classical music. The intricate compositions and harmonious arrangements remind us that presentation is key in cooking. As we arrange our salad, think of it as composing a beautiful piece of art. Remember, the presentation should reflect the freshness and vibrancy of our ingredients. A sprinkle of fresh herbs on top can add a finishing touch, much like the final notes of a symphony. Number 5. Taste test. It's time for the moment of truth. Let's taste our Mediterranean pasta salad. The combination of fresh ingredients, a zesty dressing, and the influence of music throughout the cooking process has truly created a magical dish. As we take our first bite, think about how the music has transformed this experience. The flavors are vibrant, and I can feel the energy of the music in every bite. Cooking with music not only enhances our culinary creations but also enriches the entire experience. It's a reminder that food and music are universal languages that bring joy and connection. Thank you for joining me today on Cooking with Music. I hope you've enjoyed our Mediterranean pasta salad and the journey of flavors and sounds. Remember to tune in next time, as we explore another genre of music paired with a new recipe. Until then, keep cooking, keep listening, and let the rhythm inspire your culinary adventures. Subscribe for more delicious content.